Hello, YouTube family, and welcome to another episode of This and That. Yes, it is your boy Rosie, your soon-to-be #1 YouTube host. All right, family, we got a problem. My fellow YouTubers are giving me sandwich anxiety, and frankly, I don't know what to do about it. All right, family. As a YouTuber, I probably subscribe to 80, 85 other channels. Things I'm interested in: fishing, jeeping, camping, hunting, cooking, you name it. Of those 80, 85 channels, about 6 of them are cooking channels. And a lot of those cooking channels that I follow, that I subscribe to, are the big boys. They're 1,000,000+ subscribers. They know how to make a roux and what's different between a roux and a gravy and a white gravy. You get the picture. But the things that's giving me sandwich anxiety, and I guess as YouTubers we kind of follow each other's energy. For example, if Big Lou barbecue and other things I want to do, if he does something with cast iron, it gives me some ideas, and then sooner after that I'll do something with cast iron. So I guess these guys kind of follow suit. Here lately, they've been doing that with sandwiches. And I've seen 3 videos in the last month where they took a simple grilled cheese sandwich and made it something 5-star, I guess you call it. They took a grilled cheese sandwich. This one YouTuber, he used a meat and he emulsified and he blended, he baked, he put stuff in the oven, he took it out, it was ridiculous. It made me so confused that I actually had to Google grilled cheese sandwich. I thought my mom had missed something and left out something out, because me, when I grew up, a grilled cheese sandwich is made of 3 things: a grill, a heat source, cheese, and a sandwich. And they're even saying it wrong. A sandwich is something that is prepared in upscale homes, upscale neighborhoods, 5-star restaurants. This is a sandwich. It's not a sandwich. What is a sandwich? This is a sandwich. I'll leave the correct spelling for y'all on the screen. All right, fam. Now, they took things like the bread, the cheese, different types of meat, ground bacon in, onions, eggs, 5, 6 ingredients to make a grilled cheese sandwich. If I take this and I put this on it, now I add this. This is not a grilled cheese sandwich. This is a ham sandwich. If I take this and add this, this is not a grilled cheese sandwich. This is a spam sandwich. If I take this and add these, this is not a grilled cheese sandwich. It is a yam sandwich. If I add this, it is a jam sandwich. If I add this, it is a Pam sandwich. Just adding cheese to and a bunch of ingredients, you took away the basic meaning of a grilled cheese sandwich. I am going to show you while we're talking how simple. And this is some good bread, y'all. This is this perfectly crafted thick sliced brioche style bread. For me, that makes the best grilled cheese sandwich. I'm gonna put that right here, turn on my burner, my little Coleman stove. Oh, and by the way, This is a sandwich maker. I've done a review on these on the channel before. I forget exactly how much it cost. I'll put all of it in the description box below. But this thing is about 15 bucks, no more than 20 bucks. Makes the perfect sandwich. I actually cook entire meals just using this thing. There are videos to come. I may have already posted one or two just using this to make a meal. Take your bread. This bread doesn't even have to be really buttered. You can see that, probably not on the camera. It's already just buttery, yellow, beautiful, awesome bread. It's expensive, about $4 a loaf, $3.50 a loaf. But take it, butter it. Oops, not in the fire. Butter it. Put the butter side down. Whoa, it's a little windy out. Take your cheese. Should have already had my cheese unwrapped, but I'm serious. I just watched those videos. It had me so frustrated. I had to come do this video. I tell you, it was unreal. Take this, put your cheese on your bread, close your bread up, and the beauty of this sandwich maker, you simply set it and forget it. Y'all know that's one of my favorite terms. You're gonna sit that on there for about a minute, and let me make sure y'all are in focus. Y'all can see that. Y'all don't have to see that pretty face. All right, oh yeah, you're in there. All right, fam. Now that is how you make a grilled cheese sandwich. I'm not gonna name the people who are doing that. There's about 3 or 4 to 6. They're following suit and they're making these elaborate sandwiches. And the reason I blame YouTube is we're running out of content. We're trying to, certain YouTubers, when you get to that 1 million subscriber stage, you have to do something impressive. You have to do it often. You have to do it different in order to keep that revenue coming in. And they're not being genuine. Nothing against them. They're doing their thing. It's working. But they're not being genuine. You can't take, why are they trying to put lipstick on a grilled cheese sandwich? Trying to put lipstick on a pig. It is what it is. It's a cheap, quick sandwich to satisfy that kid, the hunger. Oh, and the best grilled cheese sandwich, take some tomato soup or chicken noodle soup, dip that grilled cheese sandwich in that soup. Oh boy, you got a meal. All right, fam, it's been about 2 minutes. Look at that. Now that is a grilled cheese sandwich. That's what a grilled cheese sandwich is supposed to look like, fam. Let me cut this off. I just had to come in and do this quick video. And like I told y'all, we're gonna do some fun videos for a while. It's coming up the summer. I have a summer series of videos I wanna do, especially with the new people who are new to barbecuing, new to cooking outside. I wanna step through how to light your charcoal, how to choose the correct grill, how to set it up, how to select what barbecue, what charcoal to use, temperatures, the whole 9 yards. And we're just gonna do a summer series and we're gonna walk through outdoor cooking, barbecuing, the whole 9 yards. But I just had to do this quick video cause it really got to me. I'm like, what the hell is why are we changing the grilled cheese sandwich, the staple of sandwiches, the original sandwich? That's the OG, the old gangster sandwich. All right, fam, I carried on enough. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Like I said, we're gonna do some humorous videos here in the next couple of weeks, and then we're gonna get back to business. But family, if y'all enjoyed this video, give her a thumbs up. If not, give her a thumbs down. The brief reason why in the comment section. And if you love what we're doing here, this and that, and you love grilled cheese sandwiches, oh, give your boy a like. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace. Ooh, that's hot.